Heygen versus DID versus Synthesia. Which is honestly better? In this video, I'm going to share with you my review and my final verdict of the three apps or sites, Heygen, DID, and Synthesia. At the end of this video, we're going to determine which among these three is the best. So to get started, Heygen is a new platform that specializes in creating highly realistic video avatars and voice cloning, offering a human-like touch to your content. DID, on the other hand, focuses on creating realistic talking avatars with deep learning technology that allows you to bring photos to life in a unique and personal way. Synthesia has been around the longest and is flavored for its high quality, professional videos with customizable avatars used primarily for training and corporate content. Each platform offers unique features that can cater to different types of creators, so it all depends on the project you are working on. When it comes to Heygen, you're getting cutting edge realism that works well for both personal and professional uses, especially if you need something that feels real and relatable. The ID shines when it comes to creativity and flexibility, allowing you to upload custom images and create lifelike avatars from photos, perfect for storytellers or influencers. Synthesia's powerful AI offers exceptional scalability, making it ideal for larger companies looking for consistency and performance in video production, especially when scaling content for multiple languages for global outreach. And that's my honest comparison of Heygen, DID, and Synthesia. Ultimately, the best platform depends on your specific needs and goals, whether it's realistic avatar, creativity, or scalability.